Is PRP a permanent solution to hair loss problem? I am Dr. B.K. Garg, plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Delhi and Gurugram. Dear friends, as we all know that platelet-rich plasma, popularly known as PRP, is very commonly performed procedure for hair loss problem. To understand it better, it's important to understand how does male pattern hair loss, which is most common hair loss, develops or how it behaves. Male pattern hair loss or male pattern thinning of hair is a progressive condition. It has both genetic and hormonal component, which obviously doesn't mean that there's nothing wrong as such in your metabolism or hormone levels. Now, since this condition starts right after early adulthood, it can start as early as 17 to 18 years of age and it can continue to progress over your entire life. Hair on the front and top of the scalp are particularly susceptible to this kind of problem. PRP procedure involves taking out plasma from the blood sample which we take out from your forearm or back of the hand and then process it to separate plasma which is rich in platelets. Along with that, it has many growth factors which help in better hair growth and help us gaining the thickness of hair. Now, it is important to understand that male pattern thinning is progressive condition. Although PRP may help you reduce hair fall, help you gain thickness, but since the process of hair loss is continuous, the intervention needs to be continuous. So doing PRP for a short duration of time, doing 3 to 4 sessions of PRP, they do help you, but its benefit will slowly fade out in next few months. It's also important to understand that when you do PRP, do not do PRP as a single solution for your hair loss. The other treatments which are medical in nature, like using minoxidil or other supplements or some other particular drugs, need to be used along with PRP to help you even better way. So PRP as such is not a permanent solution to male pattern hair loss. If you are looking for PRP treatment for hair loss or you're looking for any more information about PRP treatment, please do get back to us. We are available on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we'll be very happy to help you. Thank you very much.